This is a normal Jira board. It's fine for basic status tracking, but when you need to see more than a few fields at once or update several items at the same time, it runs out of room fast. So, what's the answer? A lot of teams export to Excel just to actually work with the data, which means the moment you export, it's already out of date. But there's a better way. This is JXL, a spreadsheet inside Jira using your live Jira data. You're looking at the same items, just in a format built for working. Let's switch to full screen. That clears away Jira's native UI. You're not limited to one sheet. Create as many as you need. Organize them into folders the same way you'd organize files. On a sheet like this, I can freeze a column so it stays in view no matter how far I scroll, something a native Jira board doesn't let you do. Editing is direct. I'll change this field and it's saved in Jira immediately. No separate step. And I can copy that value and paste it across as many rows as I want, all in one move. The same thing works on any editable field. Dates, statuses, whatever you need. One edit, paste it across the board, instead of opening item after item, making changes one at a time. Let's add a formula column using JXL's own formula language. There's JFL, which works like Excel for simple calculations, and JFL Script, the same idea, but written in real JavaScript for things more complex. Let's use JFL Script here to calculate a priority score directly from other fields in the space, something a native Jira field just can't do on its own. Let's set up and turn on conditional formatting to layer more on top. Color coding by priority, flagging anything unassigned, highlighting due dates, even calling out specific work types, all at once, all visible without opening a single item. JXL also has a hierarchy view that understands Jira's own structure. Epics, stories, subtasks, shown in the way Jira already defines it. But JXL goes further than that with structures. This one, called Strategy Ladder, is a custom structure that connects day-to-day work all the way up to company objectives, rolling stories and subtasks up into epics, epics into initiatives and programs, and those into objectives. Structures are fully customizable. You can build multiple different views based on what your team and your company actually need to see and report on. Let's switch to edit mode to rearrange these columns exactly the way I want them. From here, I can save that setup as a view. Then I can share to send this view directly or embed it so anyone I send it to sees exactly what I'm looking at. It doesn't matter what your role is or what you use Jira for. This works the same for everyone. It's really an easier, faster Jira. There's a free trial for 30 days at no cost. Try it and see how it changes the way you work.